Welcome to another training. Whenever you turn on your laptop or desktop, I have this message displayed. Boot device not found. Please install an operating system on your hard disk and other information. These are the possible causes. It is either the hard disk is not connected properly. In this case, open the computer and check the cable connecting the hard disk. 2, the hard disk is damaged and your computer cannot get the operating system installed on it. Simply test the hard disk and where necessary, change it. 3, the device to start up or boot the computer or laptop is removed or disconnected. The boot device can be anything other than the hard disk. The boot device can be a flash drive or CD-ROM drive or even SSD. So in this case, just connect the device containing the boot file and resolve the problem. So next time you see the message, do not panic. Simply do the necessary troubleshooting and then resolve the problem. Your system will come up properly. I hope you do enjoy the training. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Bye.